Hey guys, I just want to add this in here. I just picked up something else that is just so cute and so special, but it is part of this Ugg situation. And I just got it in the mail. I just got home from work and I got it in the mail. It's these Ugg slippers, the Scuffettes. I saw them on the website and I just thought they were so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Sorry, my nails are not done. I'm about to get them done again, but I just wanted to show you guys. My dog's running around. These slippers, they're so cute. It's so sparkly. Look, it kind of changes color from like a green, purple, blue. It's just so pretty. This is the bottom. It has like a soft but then like a grip part, so I don't know if that makes any sense. But yeah, guys, I've gone crazy. Like, I have gone crazy. No more. No more. And then I got these from Ugg.com, so then they gave me a $20 reward. I have until February to use it. So right now, no more. Maybe I don't know what I'm gonna do. I've just gone too crazy. But yeah, I just want to add this clip in here to show you these shoes. They're so gorgeous. I couldn't resist. Look at it. Look, it's blue here, then pink and purple. Oh my gosh, it's I'm gonna be fancy in the house. Yes, beautiful. Thank you guys. Bye.